what's up you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Thysiamore, and this is BIO with Thysiamore. Today I'm going to be exfoliating my skin at home, and I'm going to be showing you how I exfoliate my skin at home. Now this is a body scrub slash facial scrub. You could use this for your face. It prevents acne and it does a whole lot of good things, and we are going to be using a major ingredient today. That ingredient is coffee. Coffee is a great exfoliant ingredient. It is very, very good because of the caffeine contained in it. When used for skincare products, facial scrubs, and what have you, it helps constrict the blood vessels, which helps reduce inflammation and puffiness, reduces wrinkles, gets rid of cellulite, stretch marks, and makes your skin glow naturally. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I use coffee and a couple of other great ingredients to exfoliate my skin at home, keep on watching this video. And oh, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that right now. Go to the comment section, comment, tell me other videos that you'd like to see in the future, and I'll be sure to consider them. And without any further ado, let's go exfoliate our skin. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that you're going to need aside coffee. You're going to need sugar as well. This is white sugar, normal sugar, and you need some coconut oil for the skin. You need some honey. Honey is very, very good for the skin as well. And here is aloe vera. Yeah, and lastly turmeric. This is organic turmeric, which is also great for the skin. So right now we are going to be mixing up these ingredients in a bowl, and what we are going to need is a bowl, a spoon to mix it up. And the first ingredient we are going to be putting in is the coffee. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of coffee for this mixture today, and I'm also going to be needing 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're using 2 tablespoons of sugar for the mixture, and that is approximately what I have in this spoon right now. Yeah, that's 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can do this in no particular order. Okay, so this is me using about half tablespoon of turmeric. And now I'm going to be using some aloe vera. I'm not using all, just using some part of the aloe vera for the mixture. You want to be careful when you're cutting out your aloe vera. I put in the back of my aloe vera, the shell, into it, so I'm just trying to get rid of it so I could mix well, since I did not blend the aloe vera, which I didn't think was necessary for this video because it's just a small piece, and I was able to, you know, crush it into the mixture. So now I'm going to be taking some coconut oil. You guys should definitely check out the benefits of coconut oil. I'm going to leave the card up right in this video, so you guys click immediately and check out the amazing benefits of coconut oil. So I used 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and now I'm going to be using honey because I want to get a great consistency of the mixture. By the way, honey is kind of optional. I decided to use honey because I wanted a good consistency, and also for my dark spots, for my acne. You know, honey is a great antioxidant. It's very, very good for the skin. So I decided I did not want to miss it out on this mixture at all. So I took 2 tablespoons of honey. That was enough for me to, you know, get the consistency that I wanted, and I really, really love it. So this is me just mixing, and voila, this. Okay you guys, so that was me making the facial scrub slash mask. We are going to be applying it on our face. You want to make sure you're applying it on a freshly washed face. Okay, wash your face with normal water before you apply it on your face. I already have my face washed, so portion on my hands, and I'm going to gently scrub on my face. You guys want to be careful with this because it has turmeric in it, as you have seen, and turmeric is, wow, a little goes a long way, plus it stains a lot. Okay, so once it gets on your cloth, it's going to change it from the color it is to something you do not like, trust me. So you want to be very careful when you scrub. You want to scrub gently, you do not want to scrub harsh, so you do not injure yourself. So this is me just scrubbing, and oh guys, this smells so good. I feel like eating it. Like, it smells like chocolate, and I really love the smell. So I'm just gently scrubbing. This is also a body scrub as well. If you guys want to use this on your body, get into the shower, and after a couple of sponges on your skin, just quickly apply it all over, and then stay in the shower for a while for it to really, go in, and you wash it off. Okay. So this is me doing my forehead area right now. And my under eye, because I noticed I have eye bags these days, so I believe this is going to help reduce that. Just going to look up and massage, and you see, I think my towel. Now I'm gonna wash. I can't believe I just did that, and I can't begin to imagine. This smells so good. I feel like eating it. Okay, please do this as gently as possible, and if you have a white sink, well, God help you. So this is me just going in on these areas. The reason I'm going really in these areas is because I notice I have some whiteheads there that I really want to take care of, and they are not as sensitive as some areas of the face, like under the eyes and those areas. Sorry, my hands are messy. It's meant to be that way. So they are not as sensitive or are really soft as these areas. Don't get me wrong, every part of the face is sensitive, but these areas are quite stubborn. That's why the whiteheads usually pop out from these areas. So I want to really take care of that. Now you guys saw we added sugar, white sugar, honey. Honey is a great antioxidant. It is great for the skin, you guys. Very great for the skin. Honey is the bomb. And sugar just helps, gives the scrub, a scrub. Okay, a scrub is supposed to be a little bit hard, so it could get on the surface of the skin and will scrub out every dead skin cells. So the sugar in there is doing a great job, and the Aloe Vera is going to help for my acne and dark spots. Also, the turmeric is going to help fade out the dark spots as you use this continuously. And what else do we have in there? Coconut oil. If you haven't seen some benefits of coconut oil that I have on my channel, I am going to leave a card up here so you guys check that out and know the great benefits of coconut oil. But coconut oil is really great. Now if you do not have coconut oil, you could use olive oil. Yeah, olive oil will also do the job, or you could use glycerin. Yeah, so I'm just going to go one more time, and you guys can save these for as long as possible. All these ingredients are they can be preserved for a couple of time, kept under normal room temperature. Okay, yes, so they could be preserved. You could store these and use it. You could do this twice in a week. It is very good if you do it twice in a week. especially when you do it on your body, you are going to see the glow. You are going to glow like the sun, just like the way I'm glowing right now. You feel me? So yeah, I'm just going to add one more layer, scrub in. Okay, because I want to. Would have been a superstar right now. So that is it, guys. This is how I'm going to, leave it. I'm going to be leaving it for the next 10 to 15 minutes at most. You can leave it for 20-30 minutes depending on how hard you want the glow to be. That's totally fine. All these are natural ingredients, so nothing's going to react badly on your skin. So yeah. So I look like a brownie right now. Do you want to eat me? No, don't eat me. I was just gonna make the video for you guys next time. Don't eat me, please. So you guys, like I said, you could preserve this for as long as possible under room temperature, and it's just going to do just fine. And right now my hands are so messy, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to be leaving this for 10 to 15 minutes like I said earlier, and we are going to come back after we wash to see the results, which I cannot wait for you to see. Okay, so guys, I'll be right back.
15 minutes later.
Okay, you guys, so this is what my face is looking like after 15 minutes of having this mask on. You guys can see. So right now we are going to be washing it off, and I'm washing it off using normal water. Okay, nothing crazy, just normal water, no soaps, no nothing. It's nothing, just warm water, so you guys could see the effect as it really is. Okay, so I'm just going to wash my face now, and I'll be right back to show you what my skin looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is what my skin looks like right now after washing my face. This is my face. My face feels so soft, like baby soft. This is really soft. This is really good. And I think my eye bags really went down. You guys can see compared to before. You guys can see that, and my skin feels very soft overall, like really soft, and I feel fresh. I feel really good, really wonderful, guys. This is like I just got out of the spa. Yeah, you could say that. So this is me exfoliating my face. You guys can do this to your body as well. Like I said earlier, get into the shower, after sponging your body a couple of times, apply this gently on those half stretch mark. Apply it gently, scrubbing on those areas. And if you have cellulite, those gathered stretch marks like bumps, you could use this twice every week to get rid of cellulite. Okay, so you guys have been wonderful. Thank you for sticking around and watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and for now it's a bye. This is BIO